like your hands are laying down like you're about to cornrow the scalp, but ain't nothing to pick up. And you just keep it very close. Cornrow, like this is the same way with cornrow. I'm going under and grabbing. My hands even stay against the scalp. This also helps it stay close. Don't do it in the air. My fingers are dancing across the scalp. My finger ain't lifting off the scalp. This helps me do a pretend cornrow. This helps it stay tight. Once I get a little bit distance, then I can pick it up like this, and I braid it down like this. This helps me smooth every little frizz and tuck it. And I switch my hands around. People who braid individuals like this from the beginning tend to have gaps and slippage. So if you start like that cornrow, then switch to this, you're gonna be really close, tight to the scalp. Yeah, just start it like a cornrow, just don't pick nothing up. I'm just close to the face, yeah, like that. And as you cornrow, you need to slide down and keep this tight like that and move down a little so this don't flip on top of each other. Perfect. And once you get so far, you can change the way you hold it. Okay, stop there. Now hold it differently and braid down. Yeah, like that.
No, but if you want to, or is that necessary?
It's necessary for smoothness. If it's awkward for you to braid smooth this way, you can stop and flip it over and continue the braid. And it may be a different, same, more comfortable. If that's easier. See how that's more comfortable for her? You can do that with an individual after you started.